Woohoo! Well, welcome to Butch's Garage here. We got another beautiful car here. She's a beaut. So this is a 1972 Mercedes 450 SL, and they actually classify these as 350 SLs, but then they're really 450 because they I don't know why, because it has a 4.5 liter engine, but then Europe, whatever. So I bought this from a friend who was actually going to restore it, and I told him, "You're insane." See, it's actually had 350 SL on there. I said, "You are insane trying to restore this thing." So it's way past it restoring this. So inside we got, oh, she's a beauty inside. Look at this. Actually the European bumpers on there, luckily. Then luckily has the climate control. Has a key. Wow. She's a little rough. Might need to. Been sitting a little while. Luckily the front bumper's in the front. So the most valuable part of this whole car is the front and rear bumpers, because you can actually put these on the more from all the way up to 85, and gives that more streamlined look instead of a park bench type look. This car might have been sitting a couple years. So let's see, 87,000 miles on it. Pretty some hard miles, huh? Let's take a look at the engine here. See, this car was very, very expensive. This car cost more than a Jaguar XKE in 72 by like thousands of dollars. So this thing was so over-engineered and so expensive, people don't even know how absurd this was. So there'd be the engine. She's looking pretty nice. Old school, simple fuel injection. So hopefully maybe I get my money back. I don't know, we'll see. I doubt it. It's probably gonna be a pain in the ass for me to take some parts off, but so this is how Butch garages go now. I'm buying other people's junk. So let's see here what's in the trunk. This is called a different type of lock setup here. Oh, that's the plastic. Actually, people like those mats. If that plastic mat's in good shape, people like those. Wow, this car, she's pretty rough. She's been sitting for a year or two. Alrighty, well, this one I will go through. I don't know if I'll do any more videos on this. Not much to show. I'm just going to try to sell a few things and move on. And I will show you the next project. Here is a European model. It's a 400 SE, true gray market car that I'll be doing here. I'll do another video on here shortly, but that's a little sneak peek. So that's all for now. Let me try to get this thing on the lift, and I will be in touch. Butch is out. Goodbye. Adios. Woo!